Oh yeah. Mix and mix and mix and mix.
It's not working all that good. I didn't put enough in. Shiloh, put in some strawberries, dear.
Bang.
Okay.
That works.
Whoa, that's really cool.
Okay.
It's good. I would love a bite first. And we cut it in half too.
And go ahead.
Hello, I am Little Cooker. I know it doesn't look like I'm Little Cooker, but I am. You just don't recognize me because I don't have my apron. And today, me and my mommy here, who's the camera. Should I say girl?
Sure.
Who's the camera girl? Made this.
Chocolate CaCakes with filling.
Yes. Strawberries.
Right. Gonna take a nice little bite.
Yep.
Is it yummy?
Yes.
Was it worth the time?
Yes. Bang.
Okay. So take it over and set it down.
You see the huge thing of huge thing of powdered sugar. Okay. We got blueberries. We got strawberries in there. We got some chocolate.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Chocolate's the main
Nice little
ingredient.
pockets of fruits and stuff.
Oh,
Careful,
and
that pan
crackers.
is very hot, honey.
Oh, and
Don't make a
crackers.
mess.
A little bit of mine.
Pick her up.
Well, no, wait till it spreads around. Oh, come on, spread around more. All right, start going where it is.